welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm going to do a full face of bareMinerals makeup, not only because I work for them and I have a lot of their products, but because I love the brand. And if you're interested to see how I created this look with all clean beauty from bareMinerals, just keep watching. So I did my brows with the Brow Master Sculpting Pencil in the shade Cocoa, and I did them first because there's no point of you looking at me doing my brows for 15 minutes. So the next step is priming the face, and I'm going to use the Prime Time Original Foundation Primer, and I'm going to mainly place this primer in the center of the face where I see more pores and where I need to make the skin slightly smoother. And whatever is left I'm going to spread all over the face. And the next step is going to be foundation. I'm going to use the bareMinerals Stick Complexion Rescue Stick Foundation in the shade Birch 1.5. It's a very nice creamy formula, medium coverage, and it doesn't go cakey, and also you can use it as a concealer. I'm just going to draw that all over my face and blend it in with a sponge. It's actually looking really nice on my skin, however I can still see like all the spots through. I think I'm going to apply one more layer and blend that out and see how it looks then. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the Bareskin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. I like using this concealer underneath my eyes, and because it's infused with serum, it looks really nice underneath the eye area. It's very hydrating as well. People that are experiencing their first fine lines or wrinkles, it's perfect. I'm happy with how the skin is looking. The next step will be the cream blusher, and I'm going to use it now, obviously before powder, because I don't want it to look weird on top. I'm using the Bounce&Blur Mauve Sunrise blush, which is sort of a cream to powder finish. It's really nice. You could apply it on top of powder, but I just play it safe and apply my creams first and then the powders. I'm just going to blend it down slightly so there isn't a harsh line of blush, highlight, bronzer. I'm just going to re-blend my under eye area so there are no creases and everything is nice and smooth. And I'm going to powder my skin with the bareMinerals Mineral Veil, which is an amazing, very finely milled powder that is talc free. I am going to use a slightly smaller brush for under the eye area, and then I'm going to grab a larger brush for all over the face. And I'm going to powder the rest of the skin with the Supreme Finish brush from bareMinerals as well. So the highlighter I'm going to use is the liquid version of the BarePRO Glow in the shade Free, and you need to make sure you shake it very well. Look at that glow! I like to smile when I put my highlighter. I bring it up to here and it makes my cheeks look a little bit rounder, kind of, which is the look I like. I use my highlighter to just bring some life back to my skin, because sometimes with foundation and powder it could look a little bit matte for my liking, so I tend to use liquid highlighters and normal highlighters to mainly bring back some light to my face and make it look more skin-like. Now I'm going to bronze my skin with the bronzer in the shade Warmth, and this is the loose version. And I also make sure I tap it on the skin rather than buff, because I don't want to disturb any of the cream products underneath. I'm also going to use the bronzer in the crease of my eye, just to tie everything together. My battery died, so during my waiting I curled my hair, so that's why I look like a new woman. I'm going to apply a little bit of shimmery eyeshadow. It is a loose eye color in the shade Tan Lines, and I'm going to use a Expert Shadow and liner brush from bareMinerals again. I'm mainly going to get some pigment from the lid, and I'm also, I know it's not a bareMinerals product, but I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus to intensify it a little. And since we applied bronzer in the crease, that will act as our transition shade, so it's like nice and diffused, but the mobile lid is shimmery. Okay, that one's a bit more intense. Let me fix the other side. Look at that! I am going to apply the Round the Clock 8 PM Gel Glide Eyeliner. It's a very nice off black. It's not too intense, it's a very creamy liner. You can definitely smudge it before it's set, but after that it just doesn't budge all day. It's amazing. Now I'm going to apply the liner on the lash line and just wing it out just a little bit. And I'm quickly going to smudge that before it has set with a small pencil brush. This is by Morphe M149. The mascara I'm going to use is called Lash Domination Petite Precision Brush. This mascara though will be amazing for people with very short lashes, or barely any lashes, very blonde lashes. It will be really nice. It is time for the lipstick, and I have chosen the liquid matte lipstick. I think it's from the Nude collection in the shade JUJU. On top I'm going to apply a lip lacquer in the shade name called Major. So they're actually very similar. Lip lacquer is slightly lighter and more peachy, and the lipstick is slightly more of a rose petal shade. I really like them. I love the formula of the liquid lipstick. It's very comfortable, not drying. It's not completely set, but I'm gonna put the lip lacquer on top. I might use a little bit of the foundation just to lighten it up a little bit in the middle. That's a bit better. So this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching me do a full face of bareMinerals makeup. It's a great brand, clean beauty. It's definitely worth giving it a go, and I'm not saying it just because I work for them. I really enjoy their products. They're definitely a very progressive and innovative brand, and yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see the next video. I still don't have a schedule, so make sure to subscribe to be notified when I next post. And hope you had a nice day. Bye!